Hello people, and for this round, I'm going to teach you how to export subtitles on your video via CapCut. When you open a new project on CapCut, just click on import and I'll go here, one of our older videos on how to check old photos on Facebook, load it in. Once your video's there, just drag it down into the project workspace and go to text up here and auto captions on the top left. Now these are the languages that we currently have, but since the project is in English, let's just generate that, and now you have the subtitles. You can also edit the subtitles because it's not 100% accurate. What you have to do is to hold Control on your keyboard and then just use the scroll wheel so you can see a bit of the text. And on your top right, just go to captions. Now we can see here that it's not perfect because, for example, here I said you can also filter through the date hosted when I said posted. But to be fair, the way I said it did sound more like hosted than posted, so we can forgive the AI for that. And once you've edited everything out, just go to export on the top right again. If this by default will be turned on, video exporting, well, what we have to do is to turn that off and it will automatically show that you can export the subtitle because I clicked on the caption exporting down below. The problem is this is for the pro version and I'm using the free version and I don't want to endorse anything illegal, so here is another free alternative. If you don't have the pro version of CapCut, let's just go out of CapCut. Let's open a browser. Now type cockatoo.com. Yes, that's cockatoo.com. And wow, it even saved my old work. But here, what you have to do is to upload. It's on your left-hand side. Just pick the video that you need to upload and just wait for it to upload. And once that's done, just view the transcripts. Here we are. And there you go. We have the same typo here. It still says hosted, but that just means the AI is good. Everything else is what I said. Now, I understand that this version requires internet, but the alternative is getting a pro version of CapCut. So I'll leave that up to you. Now, if you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. I hope this video helped. Thank you for watching. See you again next time.